Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stopping flow and depressurizing the line. This prevents spray and lets you work safely. Once done, clear corrosion with a wire brush until you see shiny metal, because adhesives and solder bond to clean surfaces. Make sure to measure the pipe outside diameter and the size of the breach so you select the right clamp or epoxy putty. You'll also collect tools now: emery cloth, alcohol wipe, clamp or two-part epoxy, and safety gloves before moving to the repair itself. You choose the method based on size and pressure. If using a repair clamp, seat the rubber gasket over the leak and tighten bolts evenly to compress the seal. Uneven torque causes pinholes. If using two-part epoxy, mix thoroughly until uniform, press into the hole with a finger or tool, and shape a smooth fillet. Curing time delivers strength, so be patient. For small copper pinholes, flux, heat evenly with a torch, and feed solder until a continuous bead seals the breach. Cool slowly to avoid cracks. You finish by cleaning excess material and restoring pressure slowly while watching for leaks. If you see any seepage, stop, depressurize, and tighten the clamp incrementally, 1/4 turns, because over-tightening can distort the pipe. If epoxy or solder fails, remove the repair, re-clean, or replace the section with a coupler. Often failure means contamination or inadequate prep. Finally, document what you did and recheck after 24 hours. If problems persist, call a licensed plumber to avoid larger failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.